Hello, and welcome to the online deployment training course on PowerSCADA Operation, the software from Schneider Electric that allows high-speed access to real-time electrical data, advanced alarm collection and aggregation, and historical trending and reporting. This class is directed towards our PowerSCADA integrators, but anyone is welcome to join, whether you already have PowerSCADA running and want to know how to administer it yourself, or if you want to dig in before purchasing a PowerSCADA solution to be sure it really meets your needs. In this course, the other instructors and I will build a simple project from start to finish. First, we'll discuss the basic software architecture, system requirements, software installation, and other pre-development tasks. With the software up and running, we'll create an empty project and cover the basics of project management, backup, restore, user management, and application settings. These details may be useful for you even if you don't intend to go any deeper in development. Next, we'll define how we communicate to the devices in our network using the software's efficiency tools. We'll add a few of these devices to our new project so we can view some real data. At that point, we'll already be able to view some tabular data, historical trends, alarms, and reports. But the real fun is in Graphics Editor. This is our tool to build custom graphics. Of course, we can drop simple images and values on the pages, but we can go a step further. The advanced one-line engine can monitor our entire network at once and display the energized state of our buses. We'll see how to configure this. At this point, we'll jump back a bit and look closer at a couple of different types of data being read from our devices: alarms and trends. There are several different types of alarms available depending on where and what type of data is being read. Similarly, trends are useful to analyze your network's performance, but understanding how they're configured is necessary to match your data retention policy. Finally, we can integrate with another Schneider Electric software package, Advanced Reports and Dashboards. There are 4 basic reports available out of the box, but the Advanced Reports add-on unlocks a whole host of analysis features, including power quality analysis, utility bill verification, period-over-period usage monitoring, and much more with additional Advanced Reports module. This will get us started with a simple project and its integration, but there's much more to do with the software. So keep following as material is added in the future. We'll cover different communications protocols, customization using the built-in SciCode programming language, software-based redundancy, and everything else that comes together to effectively monitor your power and keeps your facility in shape. With that, I think we're ready to get started. Until then, thank you.